Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Happy Monday. Did everyone have a lovely weekend? I had a lovely factory reset. Now, in today's video, we get into all things crypto, Bitcoin, ICP. Let's get it. All right, guys. Now, first things first, we are pushing so close. We get to that 10K milestone, guys. So if you want to support the channel, maybe you want to start off the weekend, give me some positive vibes, then go and drop me a sub. And if you're already subbed and you want to give me even more positive vibes, we actually got to 175 likes on the last video that I did ask for, guys. So go and smash that like button. Guys, now first we make our habits, then our habits make us. And if you didn't see already, I actually did make a video last night. Well, I posted a video last night to say one of the bad habits that I actually have given up over the past year. So if you want to go watch that, I'll leave a link in the pinned comment or something. You can watch it at the end of the video. You can let me know some of your habits that you have been changing for the better over this past year, guys. Now, a bad habit that a lot of people have is to sell into dumps. Now, none of you guys should be surprised that Bitcoin is at 58k. None of you guys who have been subscribed, who've been watching every single video. I know there's a lot of you guys there that watch every video because you let me know in the comments. We did say that 58k was where we had our eyes on the prize. We go back to the members club on the 8th of August. I did say to these guys, and I actually did tell you guys like a couple of days after as well, we're in the resistance zone at like 62, 63k. We're gonna be at the top of the resistance zone. Don't get ants in your pants too quickly, right? Because we most likely will find resistance in the resistance zone. Duh. Now, not only that, guys, we had liquidity at 58k to be caught. All in here, all this good stuff here, all these green lines here. I said we have to pick this up before we do start to bounce higher. Where are we today? Surprise, surprise, we're at 58k. When we come back to the liquidity mapper, guys, or CoinGlass, all of you guys should be looking at the stats on CoinGlass. They got all this other stuff down here as well that I'm not going to get into in today's video, but if you want me to like go through this in full, then you can let me know. Now, if we come down here, guys, you can see you've got cumulative long positions to be liquidated, and you've got cumulative short positions to be liquidated. So the longs are in red, the shorts are in green. Kind of confusing, not really that confusing, is it, guys? So we've got longs all the way down until 52k. All right, we've got a lot of longs stacked up between now and 55k, so we wouldn't be too shocked to see Bitcoin come down and catch that liquidity for them pushing to catch all of the shorts up to around 61k. Now, something to bear in mind, look at this, look at the longs compared to the shorts. We've got a lot more shorts stacking up, guys. When we catch the short positions and we liquidate them, it actually acts as buying pressure for the price of Bitcoin. So you can see there's a lot more buying pressure if it does get liquidated compared to the selling pressure if the longs get liquidated, right? Now, Bitcoin 58.75k. When I started recording this video, guys, it was like 58k. Now we're back up. Everything's bouncing. Solana under $150, not looking too bad. ICPZ is at $7. This was at $6.90 something. I wanted to get it at $6 for you guys in the video, but it's at $7. Anything below $7, I told you guys time and time again, we are picking up. Now I'm going to show you similar charts as we do progress through this stage of the bull market, guys. But look, 500-day pattern. Look where we are. Look where we were around this time of the last two 500-day patterns. We had barely had a rally yet. We'd just been sort of consolidating, boring. But then what came after that? Massive move. Is the next step the massive move stage of the 500 days? Because it could be, guys, and it's kind of lining up with the fact that we're in this like disbelief phase right now, saying this rally's not gonna last. When we rallied up to 60k, it's not gonna last. When we go up to 70k at the top area of this channel, it's not gonna last, right? And then what comes after that? We have the optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria. And could that be for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4? I don't really know if it's going to get all the way to Q4 of 2025, guys. I do not personally think that. I think it's going to be a lot sooner. You guys can let me know what your theories are in the comments. And then I came across this as well, guys. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this, but look at the Bitcoin power law cycle cloud. So if that's right, guys, then we're getting 150k Bitcoin. Do you think that's possible? Now, I know I like to look in the long term and I like to look at the end of the cycle when I say I'm bullish for the end of the cycle. But there's going to be a lot of people who do start to print these what are they called? Fractals. That's the one. They start to print these fractals, guys. And you've got some bullish fractals, which, you know, could be printing a higher low before then retesting that all-time high. And you've also got fractals on the side where we try and print a higher low. We actually fail, print a lower low. And then we go again when everybody does get shaken out at this point of the market. A lot of people are calling for a 40k Bitcoin again. What do you think is more likely to happen? Let me know. And then do you guys think we are just in the biggest bear trap of all time? I do think we are in one of the biggest bear traps of all time. And until we do start to break key structure, I cannot flip bearish yet, guys. Even when Bitcoin's sub 60k, if it's at 50k, when it was at 40k, I could not flip bearish, guys, because nothing had let me know that the cycle was over. The fastest horses in AI/Web3 or AIX Web3. You've got Render for decentralized GPU. You've got Near for ultra scalable L1. You've got ICP, the true decentralized AI hosting natively on ICP. Fetch, the merger of AI agents. Tau, L1 ecosystem to train and host AI on chain. And you've got GRT AI models for query search for blockchain data. So which one do you think is going to be at the top of the list in the AI horse race, guys? Now, when we come and check out ICP, I did say to you guys in the last video, right, are we going to break up or break down? Some of you guys said up, some of you guys said down. But the actual completion of this breakdown is going to be $6.35. So if Bitcoin does decide it wants to grab that liquidity at 55k, that could also be in line with the fact that ICP will have a flush down to $6.35. Maybe it wicks off it and maybe we close above $6.65. So we can put that in there to say, right, we want to print a higher low above $6.65. So far, every time we've tracked one of these pennant breakdowns or breakups, it's always filled and it's always completed the breakup or breakdown target. So again, if we do start to print low $6, I mean, people are already commenting on the videos saying ICP is trash. Why are you covering this poo coin? Whatever. If you do want me to diversify the content, then you can let me know in the comments. But something to note, we need to keep a higher low at above $6.65 and then complete the breakdown at $6.35. Now, I know that I was meant to do the giveaway as well for Instagram, guys, but you know, you guys just didn't you didn't listen. So again, I'm gonna, like, when this gets to 100 followers, I'll probably just like do the little thing. Okay, I'm not trying to rig it, but I'm just trying to give all of you guys who maybe didn't enter enough of a chance to enter. So again, like for the next 14 people, once we've done that, I'll just go for my followers and I'll go brrr, and then pick one of you guys. So again, go follow the Instagram. But that's it, guys. If you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a sub. Enjoy your Monday. Let me know what coin you want me to cover in the next video. See you tomorrow. Peace.